right past the shelves and the camouflage. It don't go fast, but it sure goes deep. And when she's cutting, man, I lose sleep. This shop with my two hands. No boss, no clock, just future plans. She leaks some oil, she shakes the door, but she still cuts true like the days of before. Bridgeport, baby, old and loud, covered in chips and still so proud. You fight me hard, but you cut so right. We make steel dreams late at night. No CNC, no fancy code, just hand-fed love and manual mode. Tells me I'm good, then I oversize. I crank the X, then nudge the Y, then chase the Z like it's do or die. My wife didn't get what I'm working for, so she ain't my wife no more. I burn through bits, I lose my gauge, but I smile like crazy on every page. Bridgeport, baby, stubborn steel, you're the only thing I trust to feel. You jam my cut, you stall my drill, but you still give me that old school thrill. No touchscreen life, no motor maze, just gearhead love and greasy praise. No, this ain't buy new, go full CNC, but I miss the fire and the sweat and the feeling free love. This song and hit subscribe for every shop where the old ways thrive. Garage built dreams cut by hand, one thou at a time, just like I planned. They say buy new, go full CNC, but I'd miss the fight and the sweat and the feeling free. Baby, queen of my cave, you don't behave, but you're the one I crave. So like this song and hit subscribe for every shop where we always thrive. Garage built dreams cut by hand, one thou at a time, just like I planned.